Good morning students, this is Pradman sir again in front of you, and here comes with your new video on the topic of your second chapter, that is type of software. Okay, so basically in the previous video we just simply discussed about some basic topics that are, just a second I will told you about that how could we just simply what is the uses of utility programs like network utility, file manager, disk management, scanning and backup, that how could you with the help of some basic steps you can get a whole backup of your data into your another drive. Okay, and also I will told you about some thing about the compression, that what is the compression. Okay, basically compression is a process by which we can just simply reduce the size of the file but not the quality. Okay, means quality remains same but the size of the files just could reduce. Okay, means the size of the file is just simply much smaller than previous. Okay, suppose if we record a video and that video is about 1.5 GB, and after compression it will remain about to be might be 100 MB or 150 MB. Okay, so that's last. So after compression, in this video we are going to just simply discuss about the topic, that is language processor. Okay, basically this is a heading or also we call the topic. So this is the topic, that is language processor, and after that the application software. Okay, so what is application software, we also discuss about them, and after that what are the types of application software, like general purpose application software and special purpose application software. So these are the two types of application software we will just simply discuss about in this video. Only one topic. Okay, not both the types, we just simply discuss about only one type of the application software, means that is general purpose application software package. Only the page number 21 and 22 will cover in this video. Okay, so let's get started with the first point or first topic, that is language processor. But I'm just simply forget about something. I'm going to remember you that if you are a new viewer in my channel, then go there and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly. And if you like my teaching style, then you can also press the like button so that I can get motivated over here that I'm teaching well or not. Okay, and please hit the like button if you like my teaching style. Okay, so the first is language processor. What is that? So basically I will tell you something about the language processor, that a language processor is like a translator who translate the machine language into a human language and human language into a machine language, basically nothing else. Okay, and there are three types of language processor, like assembler, interpreter and compiler. Okay, so let's start. Each software is created by writing program in a computer language. Some of the popular computer language are Java, C and C++. Okay, these are the three basic computer language which we just simply means we have to just simply code, make some coding or a program, and after that when we run that program or that coding according to our coding and what types of instruction we just simply set in that program, that computer will work according to our coding. Okay, so now after that, as we know that a computer can understand only the machine language which comprise 0 and 1, means 0 and 1 what? Okay, suppose if I ask you that what is 0 and 1, then you have to just simply told me about that sir, 0 and 1 are the binary numbers. Okay, these are the binary digits. Okay, this is the binary digit which is understood by the computer system only. Okay, so therefore programs written in this language cannot be recognized by a computer. Hence, here a language processor play a vital role in translating the programming language into a machine language. Okay, basically a computer couldn't suppose, okay, just I am telling something you that if you are you are good in English, okay, and I am not, then what should happen? Then whatever you just simply speak to me, I couldn't understand because I don't know about English. Okay, suppose if I don't know about English, then what should I do? I have to learn from somewhere else, that how could I just simply what is English, what is the basic rules of grammars, what is the tense, and all these things when I just simply get from there, then after I will be a very good in speaking like English. Okay, so that's why likewise, if you are not good in any type of things, then you have to just simply, first of all, you have to learn them. Likewise, a computer machine, okay, computer is a machine, so basically it will just simply understand only a machine language. So we have to just, there is a software, there is a processor that convert the language. What is that? Programming language. Okay, that convert the programming language into machine language, and then after that computer will understand that machine language and work according to that machine language. Okay, so this is a basic or a vital role of language processor. Okay, what is that language processor? Again, I take an example for you. Suppose that language basic. Okay, the example is upon the language. Suppose you are from any other country and you know, suppose Spanish, and I am from France. I know only French, I don't know about Spanish language. Then what should we do? We have to take a translator who well known of Spanish and French. Okay, so basically when that translator is just simply between us, then whatever should I talk to you, that translator convert into Spanish, and whatever you told to me, that translator convert into French. Okay, so that's why we can recognize, understand our both the language, not both the language, our similar language, that we have insane knowledge about that. Okay, now there are three types of what is that language processor. The types of processing is that three types. So what is that? Assembler, interpreter, and compiler. So what is that? An assembler is a translator that convert the code written in assembly language into machine language. Okay, the assembly language will just simply convert it into machine language with the help of assembler. And then after, the interpreter. What is the use of interpreter? So interpreter translate the program code line by line. Okay, like line by line means when you learn something, you just simply learn by line. Okay, means suppose if I give you a question and answer in a computer subject from lesson 1 or lesson 2, and that that answer is about 5 lines, then what should you do? You learn that question that answer line by line. So like you, that interpreter also does that work. Okay, so and simultaneously execute the convert line. Okay, means you just simply learn one line, then repeat it, the second line, then repeat it, third line, then repeat it, fourth line, then repeat it, fifth line, then repeat it. Means you just simply decode. Another example is that suppose there is a paragraph for you, and I just simply told you that convert it in Hindi. Okay, means you have to change that paragraph from English to Hindi. Then what should you do? You just simply convert it by line, not a whole paragraph you can convert. Okay, means you cannot able to convert the whole paragraph because of the grammatical problem, because you are not so good in grammar subject. Okay, even I am also not a very good in grammar, but still we just simply convert line by line. Okay, word by word, line by line. Okay, so that is just simply converted with the help of interpreter. Interpreter is the type of language processor which just simply convert the programming language line by line. If any error are found, means if there is any type of mistake done by the user. Okay, suppose who is the user? Okay, there is a question that who is user? The user is that person who is making that program, who is make that program. Means suppose I am the if I am the user, then I am who I am? That person who is sitting in front of the computer system and making that program. So I am the user here. So if there is any mistake done by me, that is called the error. So if any type of error are found, it display the error and does not proceed till the error is rectified, and then repeat the procedure for the remaining instruction. Means suppose if there is any error, you just simply found over there. Suppose I am just simply writing question answer of lesson first, and after that I will find that there is some mistake in the spelling of any word. Okay, then I just simply erase that spelling, correct that spelling, then after I will go ahead in that question and answer. Okay, so likewise that example interpreter also does the same, means first you correct that error, then after it will go ahead. Okay, now the compiler, what is that compiler? So a compiler is a translator program that convert the whole program in equivalent machine code in one go. Means in one go means you have to just simply click only one time and you got the result in just a go, means in just one click. Okay, it generates the object code of the program along with the list of errors. Yes, this is very fast. Compiler is very fast because whatever types of in the interpreter, in the assembler, it cannot detect the error. Okay, but if there is any error, it will not run. Okay, this is the basic thing of assembler. But what is the interpreter does? So interpreter does is just simply it will decode that programming language line by line. Okay, and when it found any type of error over there, it will stop decoding. Okay, when you just simply correct that error, then after it will go ahead. But in compiler, it will decode all the language beside the error also, and after that it show the list of errors where you just simply do that all the mistakes. Okay, then after when you just simply complete it, means you just simply correct them, then after it will show the basic output result of that. Okay, means besides showing the correct result, it is also show that result that have mistake, but still when you simply correct that error, then after it will show the result that is 100% correct. Okay, computer never do any type of mistake, but a user can do, means the digits, the language which we just simply type incorrectly, that is called the error. Okay, and it should be done by a user, and who is the user? User is a living things, likewise me and you. Okay, now the next topic is application software. So what is this? What is the application software here? So these are the set of program developed by programmer in order to perform a specific type of job, like beautifying the document, doing calculation, arranging data in an organized manner, making airline or railway reservation system, etc. Okay, so basically application software are just simply used for a general purpose. Okay, general purpose, like suppose I wanted to reserve a ticket from my phone or from my computer system or my laptop of train, or might be a airline ticket I wanted to book. Then what should I do? I have to just simply visit that website or download their software. Likewise the IRCTC, that is the software for the for the train. Okay, so if I wanted to go from here to anywhere like Jhansi or to Lucknow or might be the Kanpur, then what should I do? I just simply download that IRCTC website, not the website, the software. I just simply download in my mobile phone, or I just simply visit that website in my personal computer like laptop, and after that I will just simply I just simply book a ticket over there, and after that I will just simply start traveling. So this is how we just simply done this work with the help of a general purpose softwares. Means what type of work we have. Okay, means what type of work we have, according to our work we will manage them. Okay, so if we wanted to order some food, if we wanted to do some online shopping, then what should I do? I just simply install Flipkart or Amazon type e-shopping softwares, so that I can do online shopping. If I wanted to reserve my book a ticket over there of bus, of a taxi, or might be something other, then I just simply download the Ola, Uber or IRCTC softwares. And if I wanted to order something like for food, then what should I do? I just simply download the Zomato and Swiggy and any other type of software are there, so I just simply download them all. so that I can just simply make the order, and after that I will enjoy it. Okay, so basically these are the general purpose softwares. So computer language are used to create these types of software. The application software can be further divided into two categories. Okay, as I told you that the application software is just simply divided into two types of category, that is general purpose application software and special purpose application software, that is for customized software, and no one can use these types of software, only the user who order or who demand for that type of software, only that user will enjoy that software. Okay, suppose means there are some software who are just simply paid for, likewise MS Office 2016, MS Office 2019, these are all the paid version, means we have to just simply pay some fees over there, then after we will enjoy all the services which were provided by the MS Office. Okay, means all these facilities are not activated over there, we have to activate the package over there, means what type of package we want, like for 1 month, for 3 months, for 6 months, for 1 year, and for lifetime. If we choose the lifetime, then we have to just simply pay that amount in dollars. Okay, likewise the first is general purpose application software. So what is that? These software can be perform many tasks to fulfill general need of a pupil. So what are these needs? Let's read. Some of the example of general purpose softwares are, so basically here they just simply give the examples of general purpose software, that is word processing software, electronic spreadsheet, database management system and presentation software, desktop publishing software, graphic software, multimedia software. So these are the types, these are the basic examples of application software by which we can just simply do many things with the help of these softwares. Okay, so word processing software is just simply used for the typing purpose, means suppose if we wanted to type anything else, like we wanted to type a paragraph, like we wanted to type a list of our friends and their phone numbers, then we just simply use that WordPad or the MS Word 2013, 16 or 19. These are the versions of MS Office. Okay, so basically if we wanted to use them, then you have to just simply download them first in your PC, and then after you will just simply use it. But if you wanted to if you just simply download that 2016 or 19 version, then you have to pay some fees. Okay, means if you wanted to use all the features of that software, then you have to just simply pay some fees to them, so that they will activate your package, and then after you will be able to enjoy all these services. Okay, but if you not pay the fees, you cannot use that software for so many times, so many long, okay, for a long time. Okay, now a word processor help us to create professional looking document quickly and efficiently. It provide many features to change the appearance of text in the desirable manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text, and can even produce a hard copy of a document as per the requirement. Means whatever type of basic works you wanted to do with your document, you can do with this with the help of word processing software. Means you can beautify it, you can make a heading, you can make a paragraph, you can give some space. Okay, you can also increase the line indent, you can also increase or decrease the page indent over there. Means whatever type of feature will just simply given with the help of by the software, you can use it very easily. Okay, now for example here Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org, Writer, etc. Means these are some softwares which when downloaded in our PC, might like by the computer system or that laptop, then after we will enjoy such type of services with the help of these. Means we can increase the size, we can change the font style, we can change the color of font, we can also change the font style, likewise the Kuroseva and other type of fonts. Okay, now electronic spreadsheet. What is that? Electronic spreadsheet is just simply basically a type of a spreadsheet by which we can just simply make a list over there. Okay, list of what? List of a classroom, list of a student who are studying in our school, list of a person who are working in any firm or any organization. So we just simply make a list with the help of this. Means suppose the number are more, then what should we do? We just simply completed with the help of spreadsheet. So a spreadsheet program help us to perform calculation also. Yeah, sorry, I just simply forget about it to give you the information about the calculation. You can also does the calculation with the help of you can also do the calculation with the help of this spreadsheet softwares. Likewise the MS Excel, okay, means whatever type of calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and all these things have all these types of calculation you can just simply do in MS Excel in very easy manner. Okay, now so a spreadsheet program help you to perform calculation and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze in a better way. It is used for creating document to manage and organize numerical data. Some of its application area are financial accounting, cost analysis, interest calculation, etc. Okay, so basically now VC Calc was the first computer spreadsheet program. So now I will tell you what is that. So they are telling about that if you wanted to make a record of your data of whole the week, whole the month and whole the quarterly record, if you wanted to maintain, then you can use this type of software so that you can maintain it very easily. Okay, means you have to just simply put that data in that spreadsheet and after that save it, and that spreadsheet will just simply save for the future use also. Okay, so there are some basic and they are also telling about that VC Calc. Okay, VISICALC. This is the spelling of VC Calc was the first computer system spreadsheet program, means this is the first. Okay, after that MS Excel and other type of program will come in front of us after launching them, but first is VC Calc. Okay, might be there is a question in the exercise area. You will got that what is the name of first computer spreadsheet program, then you can just simply answer that VC Calc. Okay, now for example Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, etc. Okay, these are the basic softwares, not the basic, these are the software by which we can just simply make a spreadsheet. Okay, now database management system, DBMS, what is that? So each one of us uses database unknowledgeably in our daily routine. For example, managing telephone directories, payroll information, etc. Means in our daily life we just simply use this database management software. Okay, likewise to arrange our all these things in a very appropriate manner so that whenever we wanted to use them in the future you can use it very efficiently. Okay, now database software help us to arrange and store a large amount of information in a organized manner. Likewise your mother put your all these things in an appropriate way or in an appropriate place so that you can get that thing from there very easily. Means suppose you wanted to use the pencil box, then what your mother do? Your mother just simply put that pencil box in the cupboard or that almirah where you always put that box, so that in the future when you want that box you can easily get from there. Okay, your shoes, your all these things like your pants, your shirt and everything whatever you use in your daily life, she will just simply put it in the right way, right manner and in a right place so that you can get that in a very easy manner and very frequently. Okay, so likewise that database management system software is also does the same as the mother do, means it organize all these things in an appropriate manner in a computer system so that you can get that information, the data that you saved in the past in very efficient way. Okay, now you can also you can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print or retrieve the information stored in a database. Okay, basically you can also use that data which you just simply stored in the computer system in the past. You can also use that data in the future also. Means suppose I just simply store something, likewise suppose I store some music in my phone, then I can use that music in the future also. Means suppose there is a party in my home and after that I want to play some song like a DJ song, then I have to simply play them, and what should I do? I have to simply open the music list and play some DJ song from there, or also I can use the YouTube software to play online music. Okay, Now there are some example, that is Microsoft Access, OpenOffice.org, Base, Fox Pro, Oracle, etc. These are the examples of database management system softwares. Okay, so these are the basic examples. Okay, now the second is presentation software. What is that? So the presentation software is MS PowerPoint. Okay, MS PowerPoint is just simply developed by the Microsoft company. Means all these MS Office is what? MS Office is the package of MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, MS, all these software are just simply come in a package of MS Office, and when we just simply purchase that quantity after paying some fees to them, then after we will use that service. Okay, so what is that presentation software? It is used to present an idea or a concept in a lively manner. Sorry, I just simply pronunciated in a wrong way. That is not lively, it's lively. Okay, so it is used to present an idea or a concept in a lively manner. This software help you to create and display slides on a computer or a projector for business and educational purpose. Likewise, if you wanted to play your idea, okay, or concept which is just simply in your mind. Suppose you wanted to describe about any topic, okay, but there are not enough word in your mind that you wanted to present, but you can also create it with the help of whatever type of idea or a concept which is just simply in your mind, you can also create it with the help of this presentation software, and you can also make some slide so that you can tell the audience that what I want to tell to the world. Okay, means what type of idea you have, you can tell it with the help of that presentation software. Okay, means in the slide way you can present it in a very good manner. You can also add some effect, you can also give some texture over there, you can whatever type of, likewise the MS Word, you can increase the font size and all these things. You can also do it here in the presentation software, and the best example for the presentation software is MS PowerPoint 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019 is the latest version. Okay, so basically these are the versions of PowerPoint. You can use one of them, and whatever type of version you wanted to use, you can use it very frequently. Okay, now here are the example, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice, org.impress, Adobe Flash, etc. These are the examples of presentation software. If you wish to download them, you can download with the help of your computer system, and then after you can install them or you can use them. Okay, now after that, desktop publishing software. What is that desktop publishing software? So this application help you to combine both text and graphic feature to design professional document like newsletters, printed forms, advertisement, book, brochures, and poster and magazines, okay, etc. So basically, if you wanted to be a professional writer, like if you wanted to able to write a magazine over there, or you wanted to type a comic and you wanted to add some cartoon over there, likewise you are a writer of a book, then you can use such type of software so that you can use the graphic and also that text in the same manner. Okay, so basically the desktop publishing software is just simply for this. If you wanted to if you wanted to make something like that, like you wanted to advertise your business part, okay, likewise suppose you have a shop of anything and you wanted to advertise that shop with the help of this software, you can do it. Okay, so there are some basic some examples, that is Corel Draw, Adobe InDesign, Crack Express, and etc. Okay, means there are many type of software. You can install it from the Google Classroom, you can install it from the Google Play Store and also from the Microsoft Store, and you can also purchase them online. Okay, means you have to simply pay some fees for that, and then after you will enjoy that service. Now graphic software, so what is that? It is used to create image such as chart, graph, photograph, logo, cartoon and much more. Likewise, you just simply watch that the logo of my YouTube channel is Tuition at Home Urai. Okay, so that logo I just simply design it from a graphic software, means I just simply create it with the help of these type of software, and then after I will just simply save it in my YouTube channel. I can also I am also develop that banner from a website, okay, so that it will look like a it will just simply give a very effective look to my channel, okay, so that I can just simply make that. If you also want to know that how could I just simply create it, then you can just simply message me you can just simply DP in me in my WhatsApp, okay, not the DP, it's the DM, okay, direct message. Now the examples are Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD and Dreamweaver etc. These are the example of graphic softwares. Now last is multimedia software, that is it is used to create video, animation, sound, graphic and text with a high degree of interaction. Likewise some of them are the Filmora, okay, Filmora, suppose I am just simply using the Filmora application by which I can just simply create my video. Likewise in the front in the starting of the video I just simply use a music over there and some animation also I just simply use, but nowadays I am not using the Filmora application. I am just simply recording this video with the help of screen recording option, which is just simply provided by this company, whatever type of company of mobile I just simply use, and I am just simply recording with the help of screen recording, and then after I just simply upload in the YouTube channel, okay. But some days later I just simply before these days I just simply use the Filmora application so that I can just simply make my video very effectively, but still due to the lack of time I didn't make that video with the help of that software because it takes some time. Likewise, suppose if I have 3 videos in a day, then I have to just simply spend about 6 to 7 hours every day of my day. I just simply spend over that software so that I can just simply make that 3 videos for you, okay. So that's why I just simply stop using that software because it's might be a slow, or might be the processor of my laptop is slow, so that's why I just simply stop using them. And also I didn't purchase that what is that, I didn't purchase the I didn't pay the fees of that application so that I can enjoy every service. Likewise it might be a slow version, okay. So we can also create an animated movie and also create a video, create animation, sound and everything, whatever type of entertainment for the entertainment purpose what we wanted to create, we can create with the help of multimedia software, okay. So there are some example like game software, window media software, window movie maker and Filmora and other like KineMaster. These all are the softwares by which we can just simply create our video and whatever type of things we wanted to create, okay students. So this topic is just simply completed here, and I am stopping this video before it goes lengthy too much. And before stopping this video, I am just simply going to remember you that if you are a new viewer on my channel, then go there and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly, and also press the like button so that I can get motivated over here that I am teaching well or not, okay. And please hit the like button so that I can get motivated, because I feel very I didn't feel anything because you don't press the like button. And if you wanted to share this video with your friends and colleagues, you can also do it, okay. So please share this video with your friends and colleagues maximum, okay. So let's stay tuned with my channel. Goodbye students.